Just finished spraying 5 coats of Clausen high build polyvinyl primer. We're going to go ahead and block this out, find our body lines, and get everything fine-tuned for the next stage, which will be paint, hopefully. So hopefully we'll get that soon and get it blue.
So the body tape is for figuring out the body line, getting as straight as possible. What we did is we blocked this surface flat and then laid our tape on this line and kind of straightened it this way, pull that, and then reversed it. Sanded this flat, taped this side of the line, and then just try to sneak up to the line, and then you pull it, you wet it down, and you kind of look for any variation of it, and then you just keep trying to tape your straight line, blocking up to it. Careful not to blow through or whatever, but you'll have to re-prime it. But now when you get it good and straight, you because if it's going to be sharp, it's got to be straight. This is wax and grease remover. Just kind of spray it on there, and it adds contrast, and you can use the reflection off the light to really see how I'm straightening up that line. We are on the final prime. It'll be the last round of primer. Do the Duratec. That way we're following the same procedure as the Charger, because the Charger is holding up very well. It's been out in the summer sun for a few shows, and it isn't showing or swelling anything out, so we're going to do the exact same process on this one. So on top of this round of Clausen primer, we'll use Duratec, and it's a similar 4-5 coat high build primer, but it's darker, which will provide a better undercoat for the blue color. So there's a lot of advantages there. Now I just got to make sure all the primer stays on the outside.
Get away from me! Oh, you son of a bitch!
Gotcha.
You son of a bitch.
Gotta make it look like you do something, Tim.
Oh.
Wax on, wax off.
Switch hands so you don't end up with a huge shoulder. I just found on the internet you were 18 years old and lonely.
That's how you get the big guns. Do this all day long.
Day in, day out. Sweat sand stuff. You don't need to go to the gym. Arms and cardio, same day.
So is there any special techniques for doing this?
When you're cutting with 600, yes, you don't want to get too aggressive and roll over your body lines. You just want to watch it and make sure you keep all your lines straight. You can over sand it and remove too much material, but you're just going for flat. You can kind of see once it dries off. You start to remove the peel. This hasn't been sanded yet. Do that with a round block because of the shape. Just focus on what you're doing. Cut it flat, but don't take off too much material so you still got plenty of clear left to do its job. After that, it's pretty much just removing the scratches from the 600. 600 cuts it flat. Every step after that, you're pretty much just taking out those 600 grit scratches. And then we take it to 3000 and buff it up. And it usually comes out looking real nice. That's the other tip. Squeegee it early and often. You're gonna know what you're doing, how much you're removing. You still got a little bit of orange peel in there, just get back at it. But check it early and often. Don't want to overdo it.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.